Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about generate all tags function in Power BI desktop. This is generate all tags function syntax. Okay, generate all table 1, table 2. Okay, let's check this tags function in Power BI desktop. See this here, I'm already prepared two tables. First table name is products and second table name is sales. Okay, next go to modeling and click new table and type here generate. Okay, generator. Once you read this, the second table expression will be evaluated for each row in the first table. Returns the cross-chain of the first table with these results, including rows for which this which the second table expression is empty. Okay, next press enter. Now I'm adding next sales comma next to products. Okay, close this parenthesis. Okay, once you see this here I'm follow my syntax. Generate all is function name table 1. So added table 1 sales. See this here, table 1 place I'm added sales, and table 2 I'm added products, in particular in this table 2 place. Okay, see this here, let's check this DAX function. See this here, it's automatically created new table. Okay, this is generate all DAX function in Power BI desktop.